Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Naman Baby and you are watching our cute kittens morning funny play. Sometimes here, sometimes there. Cats are everywhere. Little kittens love to play like this. Oh, that was so cute. It's really cute to see them play like this. That's love in the air and funny cats play. So guys, please like our video and share it to your friends who love cats. We generally upload a cat's video with our baby. These two kittens are rescued a little ago. Now they are furry, playing nicely and happy. But I didn't name them yet, guys. You can suggest some good names so that I can give them some cute names from your side. That was cute, undoubtedly. If you bite me, I will bite you. This is the name of the game. And slap. So one has left the fight. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Keep watching Andaman Baby. And please share the video to your friends who love cats. Bye bye.